guys, my name is Darla Rodriguez and welcome to my channel. January 2022 is in full swing. Can you believe, one, it's 2022, two, the coronavirus is still with us, and three, what could be three? I'm 50. I turned 50, you guys. Look, so my brother was really nice. He got little sis, but then he followed it up with 50. 50's not so bad. I'm kind of enjoying it. It's my first week in my 50s, and I'm filming a new video for the year, and you're gonna hit the subscribe button right now and give me a thumbs up, and everything will be fabulous. Why don't you do that, and then we'll come back and discuss what we're gonna get into today. So I haven't filmed a lot in the last year. A lot of things have been going on. And so, I can't say that I've stopped purchasing and trying new products because that's just in my DNA. That's going to happen. But the videos have kind of slowed down. And so I wanted to get back into the swing of things. I don't know if we'll get back full blown, like 3 videos a week or anything, but I do want to share some of the products that I have been trying. So one of the newest products I have here is called Milani Supercharge, and it is an hydrating tint, and it's for the under eye. And I was very intrigued because it has some really great ingredients. As you guys know, I'm a skincare junkie, and so I'm always looking for things that not only address visually, but also is going to be good for my skin. I always wear an eye cream. If I have a brightening eye cream that I can find, which I've found down through the years, I try it out. But this is a brightening tint that has great ingredients. So for me, I put it over my eye cream. For someone that doesn't wear eye cream, they're saying that this is like a dual purpose. It's going to brighten the eye, but it's also going to treat the under eye as well. So I have some great facts. Before we try it on, I'm going to pull out my little cheat sheet here. I love that Milani puts this on their site. It always, it gives how to use and why I love it. Why I love it? Sleepless night? Look on the bright side. Supercharged eye brightener instantly color corrects and illuminates under eyes with color correcting pigments in micro fine pearls. The lightly tinted hybrid 2-in-1 makeup, like I was saying, so you can use it as a makeup if you want. You can use it as your eye cream, kind of like a tinted moisturizer, but this is for under eye. Brightens dark circles and hydrates with hyaluronic acid, plant-based collagen, niacinamides, and caffeine. I pluralize that niacinamide. It's just niacinamide and caffeine. The nourishing lightweight texture creates a smooth canvas for flawless concealer application, available in 3 tinted shades. So you have it in pink, which is the very lightest. The second shade is peach, which that's the one I purchased. And then they have deep peach for darker skinned people. So I went ahead with the peach. I figured I'd be safe there. It was right in the middle. They don't have a ton, but it's not giving you concealer-like coverage. It's literally just brightening the eye. So, in that case, you can take one shade and it covers a lot of skin tones within there. So I get why they only did 3. So right here, I'm going to put it on my hand just so you can see a little bit. The light reflecting pigment pearls, I'm always interested in, because at the end of the day, what makeup is illusion. You're grabbing different things and putting them on your face to give that illusion of brighter area, contoured area, more dewy skin, all of those things. It's an illusion. So I love that they come out with this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. This is not a super long video. So it does say that you can wear it by itself. And I will say, in the days that we've been in, since March 2020, I have gone really light with makeup. I'm wearing makeup today because I like to put it on. But, you know, your day in, day out, it's tinted moisturizer and a little bit of concealer. So when I saw this, that's why I purchased this, because I thought, oh, if this could take the place of a concealer on a quick, easy, just throw on a little bit day, and it's $9.99. $9.99. So here it is. That's one side. Very, very subtle, highlighted under the eye area. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. It feels amazing. I wore it the other day by itself. I didn't even put any face products on, you know, other than my moisturizer. And I kind of brought it down and just kind of brightened up the center and my under eye and went. And it doesn't crease. Again, it has great ingredients. So it's almost like you're just putting on a skincare product that has the benefits of a little bit of color. I'm loving it, to be honest. I've tried, back in the day, Laura Geller had one. There's been different people that have had tinted eye creams. Origins has a great one. I just love how this is. It's not too dewy, so I can layer it over eye cream. I like that. And it gives a brightening effect. So I am going to quickly put on makeup just so you can see what it looks like. By the way, this is a new product, newer. It came out like the end of last year from Lancome, and it is an all-over concealer. Oh my gosh, you guys. Love, love, love. This is what I do. Like, I'm not even watching, and I just like stripe my face, and then I just blend it in. And it is amazing. Like my new favorite foundation, and it's not even a foundation, it's just a all-over concealer. It evens out the skin tone, and it gives just a very natural finish. But I mean, it's like 3 minutes and I'm ready to go. I love this concealer. I am gonna have to try and get it for under my eyes too, because I love it so much for my face. If you guys need something that's oil-free, this is not the one for you. If you need something that's transfer resistant, this is not the one for you. But it is called Teint Ultra Wear, and it is their all over concealer. Just thought I'd throw it in there. I think it's like 30 bucks. So I mainly did that quickly because I want to show you how this wears under concealer. So again, I could wear this by itself and just be done and not have to put concealer on. Just for the sake of the episode, I am going to put a little bit of concealer on so you can see how it wears under the concealer too. You guys tell me, have you lightened up on your makeup application in the last couple of years? I'm just curious. I know it was kind of a trend by default because we were all at home, but I think like brands have really grabbed on and made a lot of hybrid products, which I appreciate. I mean, hybrid's always good. I always love good makeup as well. So, you know, it's just kind of evening out the playing field, I think, now. So let me just put on some lipstick and we'll wrap this up. So I quickly just finished up my face here. 5 minutes, and that's what's so fabulous about these products. Like, you could just quickly be ready and there is no extra steps to take. It's kind of genius. So the Milani, again, 3 shades. It is $9.99. It's very just great ingredients. Again, plant-based collagen, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. It's fabulous. Can be worn alone or under concealer. It's really a great product and the price point is amazing. So there you have it. Have a fabulous rest of your week and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.